Hey everyone, today we are going to use Drawmer's 1973 3-band FET compressor by Softtube. Let's listen to what we have for the demo. I'm going to use that in mid-side mode. We're going to set our threshold so we can listen to what we are doing on the mid and the side as well. The first thing I would like to set on the low band is my attack, which I will set at 5 milliseconds. I will set my release to 0.3. The same on my mid band as well. We are going to set our threshold to 20 and we'll enable big switch. Let's listen to how this sounds after we process the mid. Here is before. After. Now we're going to set the sides. We'll push our threshold on the high band and we'll set our attack to 2 milliseconds. Set our release to 1 second and we'll push our low band a little bit higher on the sides. And I would like a little bit of the dry and wet mix. And let's listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.